Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nikesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the teaser of Skyora, which is located near Mumbai-Bangalore bypass, Uttam Nagar, Bavdhan, Pune, and is developed by SN Landmarks and Menlo. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the entrance of the sales office that leads you to the sales office of the project, and there is the internal road which directly connects to the Mumbai-Bangalore highway. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the developers, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview. This project will be constructed on 2 acres of land parcel, in which you will be getting 6 towers, which will be having basement plus ground plus 11 floors, in which you will be getting 2 and 3 BHK premium residency. As you can see, behind me is the sales office of the project, and behind the sales office is the land parcel of the project. Now, let me tell you about the location part of this project. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the project's sales office internal road that leads you directly to the sales office. And in front of the road, you get a service road that directly connects you to the Mumbai-Bangalore highway. This project is located near Mumbai-Bangalore bypass, उत्तम नगर, बावधान, पुणे. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है ओंकार गार्डन चौक, which is 300 meters away, Aditya Shagun Mall, which is 1.4 kilometers away, and Flame Ring Road, which is 1.8 kilometers away. This project has over 20 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, indoor games lounge, library, co-working spaces and many more. Now, let me tell you the carpet area this project provides you with. This project has 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies, in which you will be getting 2 BHK which has 856 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 1072 to 1282 square feet carpet area. Now let us discuss the booking process. Project booking window is now open. The client may come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the pricing and the payment schemes, and we'll show you the actual location of the project. And then if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the booking process. You also get an on-spot booking of 3,51,000. So everyone, this was the teaser of Skyora, which is located near Mumbai-Bangalore bypass, Uttam Nagar, Bavdhan, Pune, and is developed by SN Landmarks and Menlo. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.